Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I'm Deidran. Sterling Awards to honor gospel veterans. Jamaica's gospel scene is heating up for the 9th staging of the Sterling Gospel Music Awards. The Caribbean's premier gospel music award show draws near, and this year, the SGMA will see the prestigious KFC Big Deal Kingdom Stalwarts Awards being bestowed on 5 distinguished leaders in the gospel arena who have each played an indelible role in shaping the spiritual and cultural landscape of Jamaica's gospel community. Speaking recently at the media launch, founder and director of the award show, Basilia Barnaby Cuff, revealed this year's recipients.
This year, our Kingdom Stalwarts, who we will be honoring, are Bishop Everton Thomas, Bishop Harold Blair, Bishop Ronald Blair posthumously, Bishop Rowan Edwards, Bishop Delpha Davis, and of course, our 2 surprise Big Deal Spotlight Awards will be announced on the night.
She also shared that the People's Choice categories are open for voting.
The categories that are open to voting, they're called our People's Choice categories. They are Gospel DJ of the Year, Gospel Personality of the Year, Most Rated Event of the Year, Most Rated Radio Program of the Year, Online Radio Program of the Year, and Virtual Gospel Series of the Year.
John Mark Wigan leads with 8 nominations. Sebastian Brim and Prince Saj are tied with 4 nominations each, while Kevin Downswell and Petra Kay each secured 3 nominations. The event is being held under the theme African Elegance and is slated to unfold next month. Now on the international scene, ABC yanks Jimmy Kimmel's show indefinitely. President Donald Trump reacts. Now, U.S. President Donald Trump, in a post on his Truth social platform, celebrated ABC's decision to yank Jimmy Kimmel's late-night talk show off the air. The post read, "Great news for America. The ratings challenge Jimmy Kimmel show is cancelled. Congratulations to ABC for finally having the courage to do what had to be done." He went on to say that Kimmel has 0 talent and worse ratings than even Colbert, if that's possible, prompting NBC to do the same to their what he calls fake news counterparts. While Brendan Carr, appointed to the FCC post by President Donald Trump, told a podcast his agency could take action against Disney and ABC over Kimmel's comments. Carr also suggested that ABC affiliate licenses could be revoked if no action was taken. Nexstar, which owns dozens of ABC affiliates, also joined in saying it would not air Kimmel's program for the foreseeable future. Now, ABC announced Wednesday that Jimmy Kimmel Live Late Show will be off the air indefinitely, following a controversy over Kimmel's remarks about conservative activist Charlie Kirk's alleged killer. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Deidre, and thank you for watching.